Yeah, hi. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the cache shells. Okay, so in the last session, we have discussed about the rush shells here. Okay, and we have seen complete end-to-end encryption, and just also we have seen the case. Okay, the case how it has performed and what are the configuration behind that, and we have seen a new concept called the immediate delivery. So here also almost it is same. Okay, so the cache shells also so will be the same like the rush shells here, but there will be some minute differences between the rush and cache, because I told you right in the rush. Okay, so normally we told right. Okay, so in rush shells, normally we will do the sale order over here, and we'll just make so we'll just make automatic delivery. Okay, then of course we'll be giving the billing too. Okay, we'll be giving the billing also. Okay, right? Yes. Yeah. So same case here. Okay, so same case in the cache shells also. Okay, if you go for the cache shells also, the sale order will be created. Okay, the sale order will be created. Okay, so on this particular case, okay, you can able to see whether we are getting automatic delivery or billing. So it is actually the point. We need to understand whether the same thing is happening or there is something different is happening over here. We need to understand that. Okay, so what we need to do, so again we need to get into the particular part. Okay, we need to go into the cache shells also will be used in the same so same origin. See, whatever we just discussed for the rush shells, we just told right. Okay, it will be used for the supermarket or retail industry or spare industries like that. Okay, it will also will be used. So instead of rush in the sense, the payment will be paid later. Okay, so because the customer is taking the product, but they will be paying later. Okay, so because as per the payment terms, but the cash sales, just think like, okay, you are just going to the supermarket. Okay, just taking some products, okay, and just putting in your basket, and you're just ordering that. Okay, this product you need that, so they will be giving you the product immediately and you are paying the cash for that, right? The concept is simple. For an example, you're just paying for that. Okay, so you're just giving the cash immediately, give the cash and getting the product. So that kind of concept is called as a cash sales. Okay, now normally we call it as POS. Okay, point of sale. Okay, we call it as POS. Okay, I think many people will know about that. Okay, the point of sale. Okay, so just giving a cash and getting the product. Very simple. Okay, you don't need to pay for later. Okay, just giving a cash and getting the product. So what is happening in this one? Okay, the rush and cash, we can able to compare that. So let me go back to the system over here. Okay, so let me log in again. Okay, so let me log in again. Okay, okay, let me log in again here. So let me go for the SPRO again. Okay, go for SPRO and enter. Okay, reference. Okay, so what we need to do now, okay, so just we need to go for the so the sales and distribution over here. Okay, just go for the sales and distribution. Okay, and we can able to go for the sales over here, go for the sales. Okay, in the sales document here, okay, as usual. Okay, go for the sales document over here and go for the sales header part here. Okay, so go to the sales document type. So now we need to understand what is the document type of cash sales. Okay, let me find the cash sales. What is the cash sales is actually, okay, the order type is where we can able to find, we can find it in VS01. And let me go for this order type over here. Okay, so what is the cash sales? We have to find that. Yes, you can see in the first thing itself you have a cash sales. Okay, this is a cash sale available. So BV, okay, BV is the actual cash sales is available. So let me find that BV over here. Okay, let me give the BV over here and give an enter. Okay, so this is the cash sale. Okay, just double click on the cash sale and you can able to see, okay, the configurations are almost same. See, whatever we have for the normal order type and this particular setup, so this particular setup is completely same. Okay, so there you can able to see the document type and all these things. Okay, everything is clear over here. Okay, what we can do is first we can just make a copy of this. Okay, normally how we do, go for this and make a copy. Okay, let me create, okay, ZBV. Okay, yes, and give an enter. Okay, the copy control, just give an S. Okay, yes. Okay, now it is ready. So what we need to do now, okay, just double click on this sales type. Okay, there you can able to see the document type, okay, and this particular things. Okay, okay, in this you can see the category. Again, the category is belongs to the sale order here. Okay, there is nothing beyond this. So we are just going with this particular sale order here, the same concept. Okay, we don't have any cash order separately in all these things. Okay, so we have everything, we call it as a sale order. Okay, so other all things are same. Okay, you can just go with the number range. Okay, an external number range, an incremental, okay, sub item increment, everything is same, almost everything is same over here. So there is no differences over here. Okay, everything is same over here. Okay, right, and also coming for the screen sequence, you can see everything is same over here. So only difference is, okay, only difference is you are coming with, okay, so the delivery and this particular thing over here. You can see the delivery and you are going for this billing here. So what is the difference you have seen the previous thing and this one is? Okay, so let me open that rush also. Okay, so let me open the rush also here. Okay, so let me go for the rush order here again. Okay, so parallelly we can open, so we can just compare that. Okay, you will get some better idea. So go with that particular thing over here. Yeah, I'll give an S. Okay, right. So go and find that particular order type here. Okay, so just double click on that. Okay, right, yes. Okay, so let's compare this. Okay, let's compare this both on over here. Okay, you can just see. Okay, yes. So let me take a snapshot. Okay, just one, I'll just scroll it up. Okay, so let me take a snapshot now. Okay, okay, so now you can able to see. Okay, so on the left side, okay, so what we have is actually, okay, so we have the cash sales. Okay, so here we have the cash sales and here we have the rush sales. Okay, so here we have the rush sales. Okay, this is cash sales and this is rush sales. Okay, in cash sales, so in rush sales what we have, okay, so we have the delivery type, right? We have the delivery type and we just made this immediate delivery. Okay, and we have two things. Okay, you can see we have a delivery related billing and we have order related billing. Two things are there. Okay, you have a delivery related billing also possible and order related billing also possible. Both are possible. We have just given this condition over here. Okay, we are giving this both the condition, means, okay, the delivery related, if the delivery related is given, means, okay, once the delivery is completed, based on this delivery we will be doing this invoice. So the delivery is mandatory. Okay, yes, but in the cash sales you can see what is the difference. You can able to see in the cash sales. So you have the delivery type. Okay, you have the delivery type as a new delivery type as a cash sales. Okay, a new delivery type is a standard one. Okay, and the delivery type, okay, immediate delivery is given. Okay, it is fine. Okay, and what is the difference over here is you can see you don't have the delivery related billing. You have only the order related billing here. You can see that only this is available. So this is not available. So what it means? So the delivery related billing is not, okay, so eligible for this cash sales. We are not doing the delivery related billing. So just think of, for an example, so if a customer is standing in front of you, he is having a cash. He is giving a cash. Okay, and he's just waiting for that. Okay, so whether you will just wait for them and you will just go for the delivery and do the delivery and do the PJ and all these things, right? So no, right, it will not be okay applicable. Okay, so that can be done separately. So what we'll be doing is, okay, delivery related billing we are not doing. First we need to give a bill to the customer and we need to send them, okay, safely. Okay, first thing we need to give them bill. So once the order is done, okay, once the order is done, so directly we are giving order related billing here. You can see order related billing. Order related billing, okay, doesn't require any delivery order. Okay, but we are creating a delivery. Okay, we are creating the delivery immediately. Okay, as per the rush sales. Okay, that all things are same. There won't be any difference. Okay, but the thing what you need to understand is, okay, so the customer should not wait for the delivery. So the bill should be given first. Okay, so we are giving the bill first. So we are not going with the delivery related billing. So we are going with order related billing here. Okay, so we are not waiting for the delivery will happen parallelly. Okay, so the person will be packing and all these things, but bill needs to be given immediately. So that is how you just remind that any supermarket or a hypermarket it will happen like that. So that is the difference over here. Okay, that is the difference what we are going to have it over here. You can see that. Okay, so all other things are same. Okay, we are just activating the immediate delivery case. Okay, so here also we are activating the immediate delivery. Everything is same here. Only thing is, okay, it is not having the particular case, and the delivery type is, okay, the different delivery type. Here we are using the normal delivery type, what we use for the normal order, but here we are using a new type called BV. So we need to look into that also. Okay, we need to look into that also. Okay, so let me go for the order and we can look into the delivery type also. Okay, right. So now what we can do, okay, so okay, I need to re-log in here. Okay, yes, we can just re-log in here and we can check. Okay, we can try to create a cache hits and we can see, okay, whether there is a change in item category, and also we can see the change in the delivery type. So both the things we can able to see and review now, right? Yes. Okay, right. So what we can do is, okay, let me go for VS01 here. Again the same thing here. Okay, let me try. Okay, so let me go with an order type, new order type. What is that? It is BV, right? BV is our order type. I think we created ZBV, right? Go with ZBV. Okay, and what we need to do is, okay, so just go for, okay, I'll go for the new organization. Okay, I'll give a different organization here and enter. Okay, ZBV. Okay, I think we haven't saved that, I think so. Okay, so let me go for the save again. Okay, I think we didn't save. Okay, so just copy this. Okay, so ZBV. Okay, all other things are same. Yes, so we are making the immediate delivery. Okay, so given as A, so it means, okay, in the cache shelves always the stock should be available. We cannot wait for the confirmed quantity. Always the stock should be available. Okay, if the stock is available, then only the cache shelves we are doing that. So we don't need to wait for the confirmation here. Okay, right. So let me do the save, enter, and copy. You can save it. Okay, so now the new order type here. Okay, yes, and you can see that, okay, it's a cache sale. So now what we can do is, okay, we can just try to do that again. Okay, go for VA01 and enter. Okay, so ZBV and enter. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going for, okay, maybe you can take any customer over here. Okay, so I'm giving as a cache sales. Okay, it's fine here. So now what we need to do, okay, so just give any material. Okay, so I'll just give any material over here and give a quantity and enter. Okay, so what is the order type? So item category, you can see the item category, there is a difference. Earlier we have an item category which is TAN. Now you can see the item category is BVN. Okay, BVN, the item category is different, and you can able to see the delivery type is different. So both the thing we need to understand what is the difference there. Okay, so let's go into the item category first. Okay, let me go for the item category first. Okay, let me go for SPRO. So let's scrutinize the okay, so the item category here. Okay, sales and distribution, sales, sales document, and go for the sales document item. Okay, define item category. Okay, yes. So first we can take the TAN. Okay, so just take the TAN. Okay, enter. Okay, double click on that. Okay, this is the item category of TAN here. Okay, you can see that item category of TAN. Okay, so I'll just put it aside. Okay, or else we just make a snapshot. Okay, this is the TAN category. Okay, so I'm just making a TAN category as a snapshot. Okay, then I'm just going for a BVN. Okay, BVN is the category which we have gone for the cash sales. So go for BVN. So this is the BVN over here. Okay, just double click on that, and there you can able to see this option over here. Okay, you can see that option here. Okay, so what is the difference between here and there? You can able to see that. Okay, so there you can see in the cash sales. Okay, everything is same. Okay, everything is same. Only difference is you can see the billing relevance. Okay, you can see the billing relevance here. So the billing relevance is A. Okay, in the rush sales. Okay, this is rush sales. So what you are seeing here is a rush sales. Okay, here it is a rush sales. On the left side is a cash sale. In the rush sale you can able to see, okay, the billing relevance is A. Okay, and here you can see the billing relevance is B. So that is the difference. You can see that makes a major difference here. Okay, what is A and what is B? We can see that. Okay, if you just get into that, you can able to understand what is that. You can see that. Okay, so A, it is related to delivery related billing document. That is for rush sales. Okay, that is for the rush sales. We have given the delivery related billing document. So that is what we delivery is mandatory for doing that. But in the particular cash sales, what we have given is B for relevant, okay, for order related billing. Okay, relevant for order related billing. So we just only look into the order related billing because the customer is waiting in front of you with the cash. So we cannot so make them wait for the long time. Okay, so we need to give the billing immediately, so then the delivery can be done later. Okay, that is the option here. Okay, the one of the most important option here. Okay, so the delivery related for the rush and the order related for the cash. Okay, that is why it's a new item category. Okay, that is why it is a new item category. Okay, same thing we can compare the delivery type also. Okay, the delivery type also it is different, right? So we have seen the different delivery type over here. Okay, let me go for the delivery part. So where we need to go for the delivery, so we need to go for the logistics execution. So go for the LE. Okay, so logistics execution part. Yes, so get into that, and there you can see the option called shipping. Go to the shipping here, and there you can see an option called, okay, so the deliveries. Go for the delivery, and there you can see define delivery types. Okay, go for the delivery type here and find the delivery type. Okay, so the first thing, the cash sales is available straight away here. So just double click on that, and you can see, okay, so this is actually the delivery type here. Okay, so this is the delivery type here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, sorry, so we are in the wrong page. So here let's find the cash sales over here. Okay, this is cash sales. Okay, same time I'll just open the particular delivery type LF. Okay, LF is a standard delivery type, right? Yes, you can just open the LF. Okay, this is the LF over here. Okay, and you can able to see, okay, I'll just take a snapshot of this. Okay, this actually we used for the rush order, right? Yes, and go back to the BV. Okay, just go back to the BV, double click on that. This is actually BV. On the right side, what we see now is actually the, okay, so the rush sales, what we have used for rush and for the normal sales also. Okay, so what is the difference you can able to see? Okay, the deliveries are same. Okay, the document categories are same. Okay, so this is same. Okay, the number ranges are fine. Okay, number ranges are fine, that's not a problem here. Okay, and you can able to see, okay, so you can see the, okay, sale order required. Okay, here also the sale order is required. This is order type scheduling. Okay, here also it is an order type scheduling here. Okay, everything is pakka here. Okay, in rush, okay, you can see this is we used for rush. Okay, we used for rush over here. Okay, right, yes. And you can able to see all other things, okay, the other process and all those things, okay, everything is same over here. Okay, so in terms of delivery type, there is no difference at all. Okay, everything is same, everything is same, only for the difference. Okay, just for showing a difference between that and this, we have just taken a this thing. Okay, so normally the people will think we need to create a new delivery type for this thing. Okay, it is not required. Okay, that is what I just want to insist here. Okay, the new delivery type is not required. Okay, just you can see both are identical. Okay, it means, okay, it is not required, it is not required to create, okay, a new thing. It is not mandatory. But if you need, okay, if you want to see separate things, okay, I want this delivery to be separately shown in terms of number and document, you can go with that. Until that, you don't want to go that. Okay, so that's what the intention is. Okay, right. Now we can try to create an order. Okay, we can try to create an order here. Okay, so let me go back and try to create an order. So let me go for VS01 here and let me try to create an order. Okay, so let me try to create an order here. Okay, yes. Okay, you can check the schedule quantity also. Okay, you can check the schedule quantity. Okay, maybe it is confirmed over here. Okay, it is perfect sometime. Okay, now we can try to save this. Okay, what happened, you can able to see save this. Okay, and there you can able to see, okay, instantly it was created. You can see the cache shell has been saved and also the delivery has been created. Very simple. Okay, the cache shells has been done. Okay, and also this thing has been created. Okay, very simple over here. Okay, yes. Now you can go to the document type. Okay, document overview. Okay, just go for the document overview here. Okay, go for the document flow. You can see now the cache shell is open. Okay, you can see the status is open here, in process. Okay, why it is in process? Because you want to do the order, not a delivery related billing. You need to do the order related billing. So once you convert this order into a billing, then only it will give, it will just open as a completed. Right, that is the case, right? Yes. Because earlier it was delivery related billing, so you want to wait for the delivery. So once the order is converted into a delivery, it becomes a completed status. But now it is not like that. Okay, because it's an order related billing, so the order is not converted into a billing, so it is showing as a in process here. Okay, let me try to do that. So what we can do is, okay, just try to go for the billing directly. Okay, go for the billing. Okay, okay, some log is there. Okay, so maybe after the delivery. Okay, yes, we have not done the goods issue. Okay, you can see the goods issue is not done. Okay, so until that, what will happen? Okay, this will be in the in process stage. Okay, until you done the PGI, so this will be in the in process stage. Okay, earlier it is not like that. Just we have just converted into a delivery itself, the process becomes completed here. But here you can see it is in process, because the delivery is mandatory. Because if you do the delivery, only the stock will go out. Okay, the stock should clear from the inventory. Okay, that is parallel. Okay, that is parallel. Okay, so but that is not going to stop here. Immediately the delivery is happening. Okay, parallel they will do the delivery and PG and all these things. We are not waiting for that. Okay, immediately the delivery, the stock is out, immediately we can do. So not based on the delivery, based on the order related here. Okay, using the order, so directly we are converting into that particular point and we are just converting here. Right, yes, that is all about the cache shells here. So the rush and cache almost for the retail industry. Okay, mostly they will be going with the retail industry and they will be performing that particular case over here. Okay, yes, it's not for the mainstream work on that. Okay, so for the supermarket or retail industry or any kind of spare industries, okay, they will go for this particular case, and based on that, okay, they will be working on this. Okay, yes, so that is a maximum principle of this particular case here. Okay, yes, so now the people have started using the POS. Okay, if the company wants to go with Russian cash, okay, you can go with this case. Okay, or else so they can able to go with the POS. Okay, if the investment and all these things is big, because for this one purpose, okay, we have to go with SAP, means we don't suggest to go with here. because you have a lot of cheap POS are available in the market. Okay, you can go with that and you can able to done your work here. Okay, but if you want to go with certain things, you want to perform that. Okay, so with SAP, if you have a full-fledged on that, so you can go and perform over that. Okay, right, that can be really, it can be appreciable, right? Yes. So that's all about the cash sales here. Okay, yes, I hope you got the understanding here. Okay, clearly here, so regarding the process, right? Yes.